Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a nice restricted building lot with 3.91 acres with lake access in Woodgate Shores subdivision on the Big Tallapoosa River. Woodgate Shores subdivision offers a community boat ramp, gated entrance and a small fish pond for the family. This lot has road frontage on Southshore Drive and Katybird Lane. Lot offers an ideal building site for a home. Directions: from Wedowee, travel north on 431, turn left onto County Road 82, travel about 1 mile and veer right onto Co Road 7. When the road ends, you'll turn right onto Co Road 269. You will see the entrance to Woodgate Shores a few miles on the left.